Hello, my name is Frances and I'm the Crafty Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make this fun rhinestone template using your Cricut machine. Just go to the description, grab your link to this free SVG, and let's craft along. Okay, so I'm going to upload the bling image. Put it in my downloads folder here. And it says bling SS10. And it has both the rhinestone and the vinyl. So I'm going to select that, and you see it, and then I'm going to add to canvas on the bottom right in green. Now these two are connected, so what you're going to do is on the right hand side, you can see it's highlighted in green. You're going to go to the first icon there with the two boxes, and you're going to click on that to ungroup. And so you have this. I'm going to suggest that you take these letters here, and you're going to go to attach. Okay, and then for this, we're going to create a template. By doing that, you're going to go on the left-hand side under Shapes. I'm going to create a rectangle. I'm going to change the color. I like to color the blue. Then we're going to resize it by opening the little lock button on the top. Now, in order for us to see it, we're going to arrange it right here in the top, and then you're going to send it to the back. Now we can see the rhinestone template, and we can resize it a lot more easily. You never want the border to touch the circles because that's where the rhinestones are going to fall. Now we're going to highlight all of it, and then we're going to go to the bottom right under Slice, and it's going to blink. There it is. And then this top layer is actually the template. So we're going to delete all of these pieces because we don't need it. Okay, so this is the template where the rhinestones are going to fall in. And then this is the vinyl. We can create an offset, which is like a little shadow, by going here in the top middle. And if you notice on the bottom there's a little blue line. So we're going to go ahead and create a shadow for that. And I think that looks good. Good, very good. So I'm going to click Apply. And there's a default here. So I think I want and it defaults to black. So what you're going to do under Operations on the top left, top left, I'm going to click on that, and you're going to pick the color that you want. And if you don't see the color you want, which I don't, there you go. I'm going to do like a hot pink. And then where the gray is, I am going to, I guess the gray is fine because it's going to be a silver. So it just kind of helps you visualize this. Next, we're going to click Make It on the top right. There we go. And we're going to click on the mat, and we're going to confirm that. And so this is how it's going to cut out in vinyl. Now I'm going to put this on a canvas bag or a t-shirt or any kind of fabric you want, and you're going to use heat transfer vinyl. You're going to click on mirror, and so you go to the left here. There's a little icon here, and we're going to click mirror. The bottom, this is the rhinestone template. We're going to leave that alone, and we're going to mirror this as well because that's going to be the shadow or the offset in heat transfer vinyl. And then we're going to click Continue on the bottom right. Go to Iron On. Okay, so to create a flock setting, go to Browse All, and then you're going to go to the bottom left under Material Settings. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom. This down here. And then you're going to add new material, which is on the bottom left. And you can just type in whatever makes sense for you. I put rocket. flock, click save, and it's going to scroll up automatically. It's in alphabetical order and it says rocket flock. So you're going to take this and you're going to move it all the way to the right, and you're going to click save. Then you're going to scroll back down and click done. Now you're not going to see it here, so you're going to click on browse all materials again, and you're going to type in rocket. That's what I named it, or rocket flock, and click done. And then you're going to click more. I recommend that you put the flock, you remove the white part, and you're going to put the sticky side directly onto your cutting mat. So as you can see here, I cut out my free file called Bling. I put it on this flat surface. This is on just a regular desk. I'm going to pour in my hotfix rhinestones. Use my brush. If you don't have a brush, yes, you can use your hands in a circular motion. Find it a lot easier. Okay. And I have some recycled transfer tape. Just going to press down my hands just to make sure. There's one missing. Just push down, put it back. And there's none left, but they're all here. So now I can just put this on my carrier sheet. So I have my HTV rod here. I'm just going to go ahead and push the little patent in there, and then I'm going to press the button, and it's going to lower the patent down. I just have it on a file cabinet. So this is, I'm actually using two types of vinyl. One is from HTV Ront. This is going to be, I find that a cool peel works best. Oh, I forgot to weed something. Oh well. And then now I'm going to place the second vinyl here. And it's not a big deal because now this is, I actually cut this out of Dollar Tree heat transfer vinyl, and if you notice, there's a little bit of like a glitter in between, even though it's been weeded out. I've learned that, especially if you're using it on any kind of fabric, which you normally do, that glitter is also going to adhere onto your fabric. I don't mind it if it's like this, just like I didn't weed this out. I didn't care about that either. But just to let you know, it's best to kind of just trim around the edges before placing it on top. So, I had it going too. There we go. And carefully. All right. So that's done. Let me toss that away. So this is what I was saying, that, see, there's like a little bit of glitter in between that's been, but it doesn't look so bad because it's on the pink versus if it was on the black. So next we're going to press the rhinestone. So I'm just going to lay this right. To set the rhinestones, you need to change the temperature to 330 degrees. Okay, so we set that. And then we're going to change this to 15 seconds. Okay, and we're just going to let this. Okay, so now we're just going to let it heat up to 330. I already lined up my rhinestones, and I need to just put the Teflon sheet on top. And as soon as that thing beeps, I'm just going to push it in and press the wheel and peel it hot. And nothing's happening here.